Hi, lovers of realistic miniatures. Barbie has a big sweet tooth. I wonder what she likes most and how it's done. Let's see. Carefully, so as not to scratch, we clean the paint from the ball, a Christmas tree toy. We cut off a piece of the rod for the glue gun and attach it to the ball as a base. We paint everything with varnish. We cut off a piece of the ampule, punch a hole, and cover with varnish from all sides. We cut a piece of corrugation from a straw, bend it with an angle, and insert it into the workpiece. We carefully cut off the excess and fasten the curtain. We roll colorful balls out of bright polymer clay. We put candies to the container and assemble the candy box. Barbie takes the job, pours a few sweet balls on her hand. We cut off a piece of the rod for the gun. We unbend the paperclip and bite off a part. We make a lollipop on a stick. We paint it with yellow varnish and cover it with chocolate. We unbend the paper clips and remove the colorful tubes from them. Cut them very finely and decorate the lollipops with sprinkles. Lemon, blueberry, pink, chocolate, miniature lollipops for every taste. We carefully cut off the upper part of the ampule and make the bottom of the hot glue. We cut off the excess and paint it in a chocolate color. We make a white lid for the jar from the cork from the bubble. We glue the label of Colgate. Now you can prepare sweet sandwiches. We cut off part of the ampule, fill it with water, make the bottom, and trim it. We make a cork from a piece of the rod and paint it with varnish. We glue the Evian label on the bottle. We wrap 6 bottles of the purest water with a film. A very realistic packaging. Barbie loves to drink clean mountain water. We turn a sheet of thin yellow foam paper into real cheese. We cut it into thin slices, spread it beautifully on the substrate, pack it with a film, carefully bend the edges, and glue the label. The miniature cheese is done! We tint the water. We dip the synthetic insulation fibers into the liquid, moisten them well for uniform coloring, and squeeze them out. In small parts, we wind the fibers on a toothpick until we get lush cotton candy. This is a real treat. Barbie and her friend can't resist it. We roll balls of clay and push holes into them. Ready-made donuts are covered with a thick layer of sweet glaze. We sprinkle everything with colored crumbs and beautifully paint it. We put the doll treats in a box and go to visit a friend for a tea party. We cut off a piece of the ampule and make the bottom with hot glue. We pierce the hole and squeeze the upper edge and carefully seal it over the fire. We cover it with a silver varnish and glue the label. Natural fruit juice, very realistic. We remove the tubes from the paper clips and insert the straws into the juice jars. Barbie loves apple juice.